Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We are conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.